So let's just take a quick look at how we test the adverts. This is obviously, this video is, the same kind of video or test video is in the long video as well, but I just thought I'd make a short one to remind you how to test these adverts out. I'm rambling, so I'll continue. Right, so we've got our advert on the page. We've added our overrides, much like the explanation in the longer video. I'll hit publish and hit update, and then I'm going to go to my site and test it out, and my advert shows up, and that's great. And then I close it, and then I go back in and I make some changes and I update, and I come back to the site and I hit refresh, and it's not showing. So what's happened? Well, it's because there's a cookie there that is set to expire at some point in the future. It hasn't expired yet, so the advert won't show, which is exactly how it should work. So let's go to inspect. In our dev tools, now we are in Chrome, so for other browsers it will be a very similar process, but in inspect we are looking for, and then in our cookies section we are looking to click on the cookies list here, and we can see that our cookie name in our pop-up advert settings is cookie test. And when we go back to the page, we can see that the cookie test is there. It's set to expire sometime in the future, so we just want to select it and delete it. Now when we refresh the site, the advert will now show again. So as we make changes, all we have to do to fix being able to view it again is to just delete that cookie. Now, the reason why this video is useful as well is because you might be the person building the site, or you might be the client testing the site. So if you're the client testing the site, I'm showing you how to delete the cookie out of your browser. It won't affect any of your other cookies that you've got on your site. You're just deleting the one related to this, just so that you can test that advert. So I hope that that solves that problem for you of when you're testing things out and they don't show. Now, the other thing that you want to make sure is that you might be using a different way to trigger the advert. So are you using a delay, a time delay? Are you using a scroll trigger, or are you using an exit intent? If you're using one of the other methods, let's say for instance we're using exit intent, so I'll switch that on. I'm going to publish, come to the site, make sure that cookie is deleted, and hit refresh, and my advert's not showing again. How do I test it? Well, I move the cursor out of the site. That's when the exit intent happens and the advert will show, but I still need to delete the cookie before I can test it again. And the same with the trigger method. If I'm using a trigger instead, so let's say for instance this is going to be hashtag trigger. It's going to be, instead of 0, it's going to be trigger. Let me just make sure that in my layers, in my cards, yep, I've got it named as trigger. Yeah, that's fine. So in my settings here, I'm going to have a trigger. I'm going to switch exit intent off, and then I'm going to publish, update, go back to the site, make sure that cookie's not there, refresh. The banner's not showing. Well, that's because I need to scroll down the page. And when I get to the trigger point, my advert will now show. And again, if I want to test that again, I need to delete the cookie and refresh and scroll it into site, and there we go. That's the test. So whether you're a designer, developer, or you're the client testing out your new beautiful pop-up advert that your design has done for you, that's how you test it out, and you can retest easily. Hope you found that useful. Thanks for watching.